welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'll just be showing you a quick and easy sleek bun tutorial, and this is just a go-to hairstyle for me when my hair is a mess and I can't really do much to it, which it is right now, as you probably can't tell, but it is. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Of course, I'm starting with taking my hair down, and you're going to want to put your hair in the middle part. Mine already is in one, so I don't need to do it. I'm putting conditioner in my hair. Since my hair is so tangled, it'll help it soften it and make it much easier to do throughout the style. Now I'm just brushing my hair down to make sure it's nice and sleek so there are no flyaways before I put it into the ponytail. Okay, so before we even get into the bun, it's already cute like this itself. So you can literally have this style, or you can just continue on with the bun. All I do is wrap my hair around, and it's super simple. And of course, I'm gonna secure it with some bobby pins to make sure it doesn't fall.
You should've called. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
Another way I like to wear this style is instead of a middle part, I'll put a side part. I also like to make sure my part is perfectly straight, so it takes me just a little bit longer to do that. Again, I'm just putting conditioner in my hair to make sure it's soft and much easier to do.
You should've called me. You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me? You should've called me. Why you never call me? Why you never call me?
And now, especially with this style, I like to do my edges, and all I'm going to use is a gel and a toothbrush. I also use a spoolie to do my edges as well. like it? Is it cute? Let me know. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up for me, and comment below any other video ideas you want me to do, anything you would like to see me do. Just let me know. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye!